All right, another round of winter boxes coming on. Or coming out. Just watch this. Directions, all kinds of fun stuff. Let me give you a hint. Been holding on to this for a long time. Barkbusters, yay! Best part of the Barkbusters, there's going to be a 2 mounting system for this aluminum backbone to go behind the lever to the end of where a bar end weight would be. I like them, even if you don't do a lot of off-road. If for some reason the bike happens to go down, they usually stick out a little bit, provide some protection. They're not going to let your tank hit the ground. The bars will bend before that happens. Something else that's kind of cool with the Barkbusters, and I think other brands do this, you can buy different types of physical guards that go on the end. These are just the VPS guards. There is not a lot to them. They make one bigger. They're called Storm, I think. Great for winter protection. I'm not worried about that. We're getting ready to hit spring and I am feeling hopeful. So after the backbone's on, these go on. Generally it's pretty easy. We're going to find out because, well, things don't seem to go easy. Let me lay everything out. The first thing the directions tells you to do is to take the bar end weights off of the motorcycle. It was just a T45. And I think T45. And then basically it just unscrewed, which I've never had a motorcycle that easy to take a bar end weight out before. There's not a lot of weight to it. Okay, so this is look like what we're replacing it with. I already kind of put it together. It's 3 parts. The bar end weight, which is substantial compared to what was on the bike. End cap makes a little bit of neat. And a nice little screw to put it all in together. We'll get this thing rocking and rolling. I'll do this on both sides. Interested to see if the throttle is just as easy. Okay, when you look at these in the box, bag, whatever the seal package, they could be pretty intimidating looking. But this is what they are. There's not a lot to it. You lay it out. It's all aluminum, very lightweight. Screw in the one piece, a couple Allen thingamajigs with some lock nuts, and it'll go on like that. I'm going to try to level it up with where you're going to keep your handlebars, but you can see it'll give you a nice room to play with. Alright, I'm going to manipulate this, at least get this one on, show you what it looks like. Got the first one on, very loose fit. Again, I set them up first so I know where all the parts go. There's not a lot to it, but how it works, it really relies on everything to being loosely assembled until you're ready to get it done. That's just how it works. I don't know what else to say. This is how it'll look right up against here. This is where I want the lever. I still might want to go back and adjust this from when I did the Healy bars, but it's close to where it is. They should be even. All right, they're on and tightened up. Big aluminum bars. If you can see how to kind of encase everything. If you look, there's still plenty of room. This little rubber thing is not touching. Just to keep your stuff safe. Aluminum brackets on both sides. I'm not sure if that's going to appeal to everybody, the bright aluminum. Let me hurry up and put these bush guards on there and you can see what it looks like at the end. Okay, so this is all I got as far as the Barkbusters. They are on. That is not going anywhere. Torqued the way it should be. This is the VSP handguards. You can look, it has pretty good coverage. You can see plenty of room for your glove to fit in there. They're adjustable. These are. You can put them on like that. It has this little lip thing. You can put it low, like that. You could go a little bit higher. I went with the higher route. Again, if you're looking for maximum protection, the Storms are really nice. And the back of this has a little, this carbon looks cool, but defeats the purpose. But the Storm is definitely bigger. And they have these external bar end weights. That might look nice just to clean this up a little bit. If you don't like the aluminum, I don't know what to tell you. Australians are nailing these Barkbusters. Love them, been using them for years. That's all I got for this one. Still got boxes over there though. At least a couple more. So I'm gonna put this on, put my mirrors back on. This is ready. You guys ride safe out there, have fun, and be kind to each other. Minnow is out with his Barkbusters.